it on film, it's okay.
You don't.
Can you get us both on this?
Yeah.
Actually, okay. Zach has his nose closed and he's got a bike pump in his mouth, so we're gonna see what happens. Close your eyes.
No. No.
Okay, close it. Keep going. Stop. We can't stop. Test.
Did it clear your sinuses?
It like made my ears pop.
Go in the
You
other
have to
one.
try it. You have to
I
try
don't
it.
want to try it.
You have to. Okay, ready? I'm not gonna go fast.
Steven, you gotta try this.
Okay.
There you go. Okay, let me try one more thing.
Okay, good.
Do it again. Do it again. It's so fun.
So I'm gonna throw out 2 of my Red Bull cans.
Zach,
What?
come on. What do you live in the 19th century? We recycle now.
Recycling?
Yeah.
Okay. Venture down the hallway to the recycling bin. Alright. Newspaper, paper, glass, plastic, aluminum. Alright. Alright. Aluminum. Great. Okay, nice. Nice, very funny. What? Okay.
It's the best recycling hole ever.
I'm leaking Red Bull all over the place.
Yeah, I got covered in it.
Good. Good for you.
You didn't see crack, so it's okay. Steven, what happened? Did Zach take your shoe?
Yeah.
Where's it gonna go?
$130 shoe.
I lost Jedi Run. Well, no, half of that, right?
Oh, nice throw.
Yeah, well. Just wait for you to go get it.
I hope he gets you.
So pissed. Now the doors are getting locked. Look how pissed he is. Oh my god.
This is gonna be for the parkour video.
Parkour. Awesome.
Parkour.
Jump the gap, Zach!
Yes!
Parkour
Parkour, yeah!
He's gonna hurt him. You're gonna really hurt yourself. And they're watching.
Yeah, these people are watching.
Whoa!
Whoa, Steven, you're so fast.
Speed
Very
ray.
hard.
Parkour!
Yeah!
Parkour, baby. Parkour.
Parkour! Oh my god. Yeah!
Yeah!
Injury!
Oh!
Parkour! Some blood! Parkour! That is so parkour!
That's so parkour!
Yeah, you would just smack against it like concrete. Yeah. That'd be fun. Yeah, no, it would.
You gonna jump?
Yeah.
Okay. Hold on, let me film it. Frau bro! One more time, I missed it.